Hi guys, here's how you can add a neon line effect in Photoshop. First of all, start with a black background. Then, go to the brush tool settings. Set the brush size around 15px to 18px, I'm using 18px. Make sure the hardness is 100% and select the soft round brush. Now go to the brush tool settings panel. Turn shape dynamics on, it's off by default. Then open its settings and set control pen pressure. After that, create a new layer. Select the curvature pen tool and draw the line path where you want your neon effect. Then right-click and select stroke path. Make sure simulate pressure is on and the tool is set to brush. Press OK, then delete the path. Now open the blending options. Select inner glow, set opacity around 51%. Blend mode, color dodge, and choose white color. Next, go to outer glow. Choose white color again, and keep similar soft glow settings. Now open inner shadow, choose the color you like, I'm using white. Finally, go to stroke and select your preferred glow color. You can try yellow or white for a clean neon look. And that's it, your glowing neon line effect is ready.